Okay, so we're over here now, and what we have here is we are shredding our carrots. We are using the Presto salad shooter, and I will put the link in the description to show you guys where we purchased that. So as you can see, there's a photo here of some coleslaw, and that's what we're making. We're not making that coleslaw, but we are making coleslaw. So we have our peeled baby carrots that we're using in the coleslaw, and we have our carrots out of the bag. We wash them. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut quite a bit that we're not going to use in this one recipe, but we're going to use that for another recipe another day. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those carrots up as it is. So let me show you guys exactly what I do and how easy this is to cut the carrots. So I've already washed them, okay? So I take them and I put them inside of the little chute right there. See that? I just put them inside the little chute. You can put quite a bit in there, so we might be able to put all of these. Okay. And so then what you do is you take this other piece and you fit it in there, and then you turn it. You're going to be pushing this down. Sorry, you're going to be pushing. Let me see if I can get this right. So pushing that down. Okay, so we're going to push this part down, and then as we push down, it's going to make the carrots. Okay, so that's how we make the carrots in here. I'm going to probably make just a little bit more. And then once you finish making the carrots or shredding them in here, you're going to just do like this with a knife or a spoon. Don't do it with your finger. And if you do, you make sure you unplug it and turn it off, because you don't want this to grind your fingers up, right? So safety first. It should always be unplugged and turned off so you don't accidentally hit the starter button, and then you won't have any more fingers. So one moment and we'll make a few more carrots. Okay, so we just washed a few more carrots out. And you can use regular carrots, like the long ones that you buy at the store. You can use those too, but I just chose to get these. Okay, and if you look in there right there, you see sometimes there's a little carrots left, and you can turn it on and try to see if those carrots will come out. Sometimes they won't. And then what you do for this is you just turn it like that, and then you can take this off. And again, you're going to take what's left in here. So you can also do your cabbage in here, any kind of vegetables, and there's different inserts to where you can make your vegetables round. You can shred your cheese in here, your cabbage, anything, or you can make like radishes like they have right there, and it's round. So I love this machine. I've had several already, and I've misplaced some parts to it or what have you. And so anyway, this is what I always do for the carrots. So when I shred my carrots this way, I put in a container, and it'll last in the refrigerator like several days. You can use it for your salads. You can use it for any other kind of dishes, like our vegan fried rice that we have. So anything like that, you can use this. This is like one of the best gadgets that you can ever have. So there you go. That's the carrots.